Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I'm here to introduce you to RosaLin's Solo, a beautiful digital kit I've created, and I am working on it currently and having so much fun with this kit. So you guys, this has been multiple attempts to record this. So if this one doesn't work, I'm going to listen to the universe and I'm just not going to post this video. But anyway, so I'm showing you all of the stuff that I have before me so that you can see what I'm working with. Now, I printed out a bunch of pages to show you the full layout of the pages. They came out all lopsided, and that was one thing, and I was like, okay, this is really trippy. But anyway, and so everything is laid out like this because I was setting up to begin working on the journal, and then I thought, let me try to record it so people can see at least this much of it. So that's why it's laid out in this manner, and I'm just showing you all the pages, and then I'll get to the pockets and cutouts. But as you can see, there is a lot to work with because when I am creating a journal, I love to have options. I love to have a lot of stuff to work with. Now, my printer, I was just showing you that my printer is, I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to go ahead and purchase another one to have its backup because this is my Epson printer. When I print out massive amounts of stuff like this, I use my Epson because it's more economical versus my HP, which does print better, but it would cost me probably $100 to print out what you see before you. And that's just not economical, you guys. But anywho, so I printed so much out, walked away, and then I come back and I saw that the printer head needed to be cleaned, which I've done, and it's like continuing to do that. So something is going on. Now these are just pages from a vintage railroad book, and I'm trying to upload that to Etsy as well because I absolutely love the look of that and the way that they look in journals. So I have also given you lots of journal pages, you guys, so that you have the option of using those if you like to add in your journals. Because I just love looking at beautiful pages. And so disregard the cutting board back there, you guys. That is the side that I use when I'm crafting. The other side is still pristine, but this was an impromptu video, and so that's why you're seeing that crazy looking cutting board beneath it. But anywho, so you're seeing all of the images, you guys, and just different variations. I'm working with the same scheme of things. And so when you go to cut out this page, try and remember, please, to cut out two of these, or to print out two of these. Let's pull it down. Okay. So that you get this image, because if you print only one, you're going to be like, how am I supposed to do this? So print out two of these pages so that you get the full view or the full image in your journal. And I love that layout. I loved it so much that I repeated it with RosaLin, or Rosa as we call her for short, her nickname. And here she is. Absolutely lovely. Love, love. So just remember to print out two of those, guys. So if I didn't mention it in this take already, there are, I think, two add-ons kind of intertwined in here, but these are lots of tags. So I've given you the option of large tag, smaller tag on two of these, and that's something that just came to me that I like to do. There's a large one and there's a smaller one. Now you can go and change things. If you have Photoshop, you can do that with the sizes. Now don't go and add things to people's kits, but also your printer will do that as well. So this is a library pocket, and I have the library cards I'll show in a minute. But so I decided, I was working with that, and I was like, it's a good idea to go ahead and do that, so it's a convenience to you guys. I have a kit where I have musical definitions, and one is the larger size, and then I doubled them and printed them so they'll print out smaller. That's just something that I came up with. Hadn't seen anyone else do that. So I thought that was pretty neat just to have that convenience for you. Now, anyone can do it, but it's just a convenience for you. So I love that large envelope, you guys. Now, these are pockets. I'm new to Photoshop, you guys, so please be patient with me. I cut off the white piece that's on the bottom. But remember, just fold the white pieces back, glue them down, and glue along the bottom. And you have a generous size pocket. The pockets I have already in the journal, I have like 2 tags in, and it's still like plenty of room. And here are the library cards. I have this music in my head, you guys, and I'm just constantly moving around to it. The violin is just a beautiful instrument.
Oh, there's a bee outside.
The bee scared you away?
And it thinks the coffee that is sweet.
What? Yeah, the bees love the coffee. I don't know. Tell them to go get on the hibiscus flower.
We tried to tell them, but they wouldn't
go to the roses. Go tell them, go do something. Talk to the bee. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. Where are we? So I was showing you the journal cards. Here are some postcards, lots to choose from. So like I said, I'm not going to cut that out of the video, you guys, because if this one doesn't work, that's just going to be it, and you guys will never see this part. So these are just extra pages. Like I said, I was creating so much, you guys. I had to stop myself, and I still want to go back in and just come up with some other stuff, but you've got to stop yourself. You just, at some point, you just have to. Okay, so more journal cards I'm showing you. And I deleted by accident, anyway, the smaller version of this book. So you can tell by how big this one is in comparison to my hand. So just for reference. And this is a little idea I got to create like an open book. Excuse me. There are a lot of things that you can do with that as well. Add some more pockets onto it and just different stuff. So these are some of the cutouts that I was cutting out already for you guys. These will go lovely anywhere you want to use them, on the edge of pages, as tucks, just any way and anyhow you want to use them. Love this little inkwell as well. And just cut out one of the roses. More cutouts. And I don't even think I showed you guys everything. But you get the gist. You have a lot to play with, a lot to work with here. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this glimpse of the kit. And soon, hopefully, I will be uploading the journal that I'm working on. Get that finished. This here is a part of a kit that coordinates with it called Timeless Rose. And these are just a few of the pages, like the journal pages. So you guys, if you're interested, I will have a link in the description box below to my Etsy shop where you can, I want to say, cop these or purchase these digitals. Anywho, you guys have seen it. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning, a wonderful evening, or a wonderful night, wherever you are. Happy crafting.